Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can insert pictures that you have saved to your computer into your publications. For example, if you were creating a newsletter and wanted to insert a picture from a recent meeting or event you had saved to your computer, you could easily do that in Publisher. However, before you do this, ensure that you know within which folder on your computer the picture that you want to insert is located. You will need to know this information to locate and then insert the picture. Once you know where the picture that you want to insert is located, click the Insert tab in the ribbon and then click the Pictures button in the Illustrations button group to open the Insert Picture dialog box. Use this dialog box to navigate to the folder that contains the picture you want to insert. Once you see the picture you want to insert appear in the large white window within this dialog box, click it to select it, and then click the Insert button at the bottom of the dialog box. The picture you selected will then be inserted into your publication.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.